Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will design a business card or visiting card using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First you have to insert a text box. Go to option insert and then in the option shapes and select the text box. Draw the text box using the cursor just like this. Now you have to add a rectangle shape in the text box. Add rectangle shape like this. Now you have to increase the size of the text box. Increase the size with the help of the cursor, and similar to this also increase the size of the rectangle shape. Now color the rectangle shape if you want to. Now click on the option edit point, and from this option you can design this shape. See a curve type appearance occur in the rectangle shape. Now color it. I will give it a royal blue color. Now you have to press Ctrl D for copying this shape. Press the Ctrl D and a copy appear of this shape. Change the color of this copied shape into red and send this shape to backward. So it appears like this in the form of the layer. A design is created. Press Ctrl D again for further copying this design. Color this red outline into white. And after pressing Ctrl D, another layer is appear. Now color this layer into red. See? And send it backward. Now adjust these both designs just like this manner, and a new design is now formed. Now add another text box into this card by going in the insert option, then selecting a text box. This text box is typically for a logo design. Now for the logo, go to option symbol and add any of the symbol you want. I am taking a symbol just like this. It's appear a house type logo. Increase the size of this logo and bold it. You can also change its color, as I have changed its color into royal blue. Now add another text box for writing a company, brand, office, whatever name you want to write on it. See, I have taken a text box. Now I am writing a text on it. Basically, it's a card of a real estate agency. Now increase the size of the text, and also you can change the color of the text. After changing its color, bold the text. Now you have to take another text box for writing address, contact number and phone number on it. Take a text box and then write phone number, address. After writing information, separate this text box. Now take another text box on the blue border for a sign. Add WhatsApp sign on this text box and your visiting card is ready. Now select this card and press Ctrl D for copying it. And you can make multiple copies of this card along this page like this. Here you go. This is the final look of your visiting card, which is ready. If you like my video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further more updates. Stay tuned.